In today's video, we are going to be making a super easy, super tasty noodles recipe. And it's not just any noodles recipe. It's one that's low in calories, low in fat, and of course, high in protein. Let's go. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. When you are trying to lose weight, when you're trying to shed some fat off your body and you are trying to build a little bit of muscle, there is nothing more imperative than making sure you are watching the amount of calories you are consuming every day. But that doesn't mean you go super strict and cut out all the foods you love. You can still have your protein pancakes, your chicken cutlets, your bread pizzas, and even your noodles. So in today's video, we are going to be making some delicious Egg Schezwan noodles. Not only will it be filling, but it's way lower in calories and higher in protein than the normal Egg Schezwan noodles that you might make at home. So without wasting much time, let's first go over the ingredients. We will need 300 grams of the Ching's Secret Veg Hakka noodles, a mixture of 4 whole eggs and 6 egg whites, 1 medium onion thinly sliced, about half of a yellow, green, and red bell pepper, again thinly sliced, about half a cup of carrots, about 1.5 cup of cabbage. Make sure you wash the cabbage thoroughly once it's cut. 7 grams or half tablespoon of oil, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, along with spring onions and 1 to 2 green chilies. And last but not the least are the sauces. So 1.5 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of the Schezwan chutney. Now moving on to the recipe, the first thing you want to do is cook the noodles as per the packet instructions. So what I did was I took a pot, I added about 2 to 3 cups of water and waited till it boiled. Once it started boiling, I dropped the noodles into the water and I let it cook for about 3 minutes. As soon as it was cooked, the next thing I did was I rinsed it with cold water, drained it, and set it aside. Now the next thing we are going to do is make the eggs. So take a non-stick pan, spray some cooking spray on it, and once it heats up, let's scramble the eggs. And once that's done, let's go ahead and set that aside as well. Moving on to make the noodles, let's take another pan and add the oil. Once the pan is heated, add the garlic and stir fry it for about 30 seconds. Then we will add the onions and cook it until it's transparent. Next, we'll add the rest of the veggies, so the bell peppers, the carrots, the cabbage, the white part of the spring onions, and the green chilies. Stir fry the entire mix for about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure you don't overcook them. You want them to retain their crunch. Time to move on to my favorite part. Well, actually, eating is my favorite part, so I'm going to say my second favorite part, which is adding the sauces. So let's go ahead and add the soy sauce, the red chili sauce, and the Schezwan chutney. Once it's all mixed well, let's add the eggs along with some salt and pepper, and finally the noodles. This will take a couple of minutes to mix, but while I do that, how many of you actually notice the change in the pan? Yeah, this is what happens when your predictions suck. I actually thought everything would fit in the other one, but unfortunately I was wrong and I had to spend about a good 10-15 minutes trying to find this one, and then I had to dump everything in it. Basically, it wasn't fun. Anyway, once you're done giving it a good mix and everything is mixed really well, you are pretty much done, guys. Garnish it with some spring onions and just look at that. Your mouth-watering Egg Schezwan noodles is all set. Now, moving on to the macros. This entire recipe is a total of about 1,755 calories, of which 266 grams are carbs, 32 grams are fat, and 96 grams are protein. Now, you want to divide this into 4 servings, and each serving is about 440 calories, of which 66 grams are carbs, just 8 grams of fat, and 24 grams of protein. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, guys. Do try the recipe out. If you do, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please do subscribe. please do comment down below on the kind of videos you'd like to see or the kind of recipes you'd like to see, and I would be happy to make it. With that being said, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.